Hey guys, welcome to another BODYFX tutorial. For this tutorial I've already done my foundation and now I'm just doing my eyebrows. So I'm doing my eyebrows kind of in a downturned sort of frowny sort of way, just to make me look a little bit more evil. I got the idea for this particular makeup from the new movie that is coming out, and it is called Truth or Dare, and I thought it would be quite a fun little makeup to try out. So with my eyes, I'm now adding a little bit of that darker color that I use for my eyebrows, and I'm just putting that into the corners of my eyes, just to give them a little bit more of a slanted look. And now I'm going in with my dark brown Starblend, and I'm just adding a bit of shading into the outer corners of my eyes. And now I'm using that Starblend as well, just to put a little bit of darkness into the inner corners of my eyes, just so that I can add some little frown lines coming from there. Now I'm adding this shadow underneath my eyes as well, and this kind of gives your eyes a little bit more of a squinty sort of look, and also looks a little bit more evil as well. So now that's my eyes all done, so now it's time to start doing the mouth. So first I've just put a little bit more foundation on my lips, just to get an even colour with my pink face paint. This is a tag pink, and I actually added a little bit of orange to the colour as well, just to make it a bit more of a natural lip colour. I'm happy with the shape of the lips. I'm now going in with a tag black to add some detailing. Now it's time to add some shading around the mouth, so again I'm doing that with my brown Starblend. once the shading is all done, we have to add some highlights. So I'm going in with a tag ivory, just because I don't want it to be too bright. So I'm adding a little bit of a highlight to my lips, and then also around all of my wrinkles and shading that I've done around my face. As you can see, to make my highlights look a little bit softer, I'm first applying the paint and then I'm just fading it out a little bit with my fingers. So once you finish the highlights, the makeup is all done. So of course you can add some crazy contact lenses as well, or even some blood or whatever you want, but I just wanted to keep it simple. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll catch you next time.